Unleash your inner drummer anywhere. Imagine air drumming that actually makes real music. Meet the PocketDrum2 MAX, a game changer in the world of music gadgets. Just 3 seconds with this futuristic gem, and you'll see why it's a must-have for musicians and newbies alike. This wizardry of a drum kit fits in your backpack. Yep, no hauling around bulky drum sets. Just motion-sensing air drum sticks and foot pedals ready to rock on the spot. Feel like Neil Peart, minus the neighbors' complaints. Thanks to its quiet, headphone-friendly design, you can drum away anytime you want. Plug in the included earphones, and bam, you're in your own drum solo. Bluetooth magic connects you to your favorite devices, bringing 8 distinct drum tones to life with 0 delay. Feeling jazzy or ready to rock? Choose your beat and get creative. Jam with your pals or produce tracks with its MIDI software compatibility. Drum along with songs or teach yourself with fun tutorials on the AeroBand app. Ready to join the rhythm revolution? Click the link in the description to snag your very own PocketDrum MAX. Beat the ordinary and drum extraordinary.